everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. So in today's video, we're going to continue along with our fall and Thanksgiving series and do a cocktail that is a hot chocolate with pumpkin spice. You can leave out the Kahlua if you want this for the kids in your life. I am going to make a version of it for my daughter without the Kahlua. I did say a few weeks ago that I'm not a big fan of pumpkin in drinks, but I realized that other people are, so I'm going to make this for pumpkin fans out there, and I don't mind it in hot beverages, which this one is going to be. If you have any cocktails that you are going to be trying, please share them in the comments below. I would love to see what kind of cocktails you guys are making over the next few months. And then as soon as Thanksgiving's over, we'll move kind of into the Christmas season and get ready for that. I hope you enjoy this. Now let's get started on making this cocktail.
I can't see the kids see me.
Don't knock it down. Don't knock it down. Alright, so this is all the ingredients you're going to need. I'm using just whole milk because that's what my younger daughter still drinks, so that's what I have in the house. Then you need a little bit of, I'm going to use this in another recipe, so I'm only going to be using about a quarter cup of this. The Kahlua is going into it. I'm using dark chocolate. You can use regular chocolate or white chocolate if you're so inclined, and then the whipped cream and the caramel is for the topping of the hot chocolate. So let's get started. This recipe is super easy. In fact, I think I'm going to let Tabitha help me, and we'll add the Kahlua at the end so she can have some as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 2.5 cups of milk. I'm going to let that get nice and hot so that I can add my chocolate and then melt it. Once that milk is hot, I'm just going to add a 1/2 cup of dark chocolate. Once your chocolate has all melted, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of just pumpkin puree. And let that dissolve as well. I'm going to pour it as is into my daughter's mug so then she can put whipped cream or whatever toppings that she wants, and then I'm going to add the Kahlua for mine. Now we're going to add the Kahlua. Normally you would add 2 shots for the 2 servings, but because half of it went to Tabitha, we're going to only do 1 shot. I'm not lying. This is the best hot cocoa I've ever had in my life. I hope you like this recipe. All of my whipped cream has melted, but it still tastes delicious. Subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more fall recipes coming up all through Thanksgiving. Okay! Okay, perfect!
I taste it.